Come on, test yourself now.
Question 1. What does a red octagonal sign mean? Yield to traffic, complete stop required, slow down, speed limit. The correct answer is complete stop required. Question 2. At a yield sign, you must stop no matter what, speed up to merge, give right of way if needed, honk and proceed. The correct answer is give right of way if needed. Question 3. A steady yellow traffic light means, floor it, prepare to stop safely, stop and wait 5 minutes, turn right only. The correct answer is prepare to stop safely. Question 1. This sign means, you are near a school, watch for children, playground ahead, pedestrian crossing only for adults, buses stop here. The correct answer is you are near a school, watch for children. Question 2. What does this sign prohibit? Making a right turn, making a left turn, making a U-turn, stopping. The correct answer is making a U-turn. Question 3. This sign indicates, the road ahead is divided, you are on a one-way street, two-way traffic ahead, lane ends, merge left. The correct answer is two-way traffic ahead. Question 1. A green light means you can go, but only if the intersection is clear. Stop and wait, speed up to pass, turn around. The correct answer is go, but only if the intersection is clear. Question 2. When you see this sign, you should stop, look, and listen for a train, increase your speed, expect a traffic light ahead, honk your horn. The correct answer is stop, look, and listen for a train. Question 3. This sign warns that the road is always wet, the road surface is slippery when wet, there is a car wash ahead, the road is for boats only. The correct answer is the road surface is slippery when wet. Question 1. When parking uphill on a two-way street with no curb, your front wheels should be turn to the left, toward the street, turn to the right, away from the street, straight ahead, it does not matter. The correct answer is turn to the right, away from the street. Question 2. This sign warns you about a sharp turn to the right, a winding road ahead, a roundabout, a road closure. The correct answer is a winding road ahead. Question 3. This sign means, all traffic must go straight, do not enter, one-way street, no turns allowed. The correct answer is do not enter. Question 1. What should you do when you see this sign? Prepare for a change in traffic direction, slow down for a sharp turn, stop and wait for oncoming traffic, the road ahead is closed. The correct answer is prepare for a change in traffic direction. Question 2. A solid white line on the right edge of the highway slants in towards your left. That shows that there is an intersection just ahead. You are approaching a construction area. The road will get narrower. You must exit the freeway. The correct answer is the road will get narrower. Question 3. This sign means, lane ends, merge right, lane ends, merge left, right lane for right turns only, a new lane starts on the right. The correct answer is lane ends, merge left. Question 1. If a traffic signal is not working, you should treat the intersection as a four-way stop, an uncontrolled intersection, a yield sign, a green light. The correct answer is a four-way stop. Question 2. The number on this sign represents the minimum legal speed, the maximum legal speed, the recommended speed, the highway number. The correct answer is the maximum legal speed. Question 3. You must notify the DMV within 5 days if you sell or transfer your vehicle, get a new prescription for glasses, paint your vehicle a different color, get a new pet. The correct answer is sell or transfer your vehicle. Question 1. This sign warns of an upcoming traffic signal, a stop sign ahead, a railroad crossing, a school crossing. The correct answer is an upcoming traffic signal. Question 2. It is illegal for a person 21 years of age or older to drive with a blood alcohol concentration, BAC, that is or higher, 0.08%, 0.05%, 0.10%, 0.01%. The correct answer is 0.08%. Question 3. This sign means, keep to the left, keep to the right, no passing, two-way traffic. The correct answer is keep to the right.
Watch the next test on the channel. Goodbye.